You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these fragrance, these eau de parfum. If you want to learn more luxury brand names, beauty products names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Xerjoff. Xerjoff is usually how it's pronounced, or Xerjoff. Naxos would be the French pronunciation, Naxos in English. Xerjoff Naxos. Xerjoff Naxos. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Xerjoff Naxos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.